Good morning, my dear children. I hope you're all doing well. Yeah, this is QUAYE, the history teacher. You are now in grade 3, so you are going to continue the history that you learned in grade 2. What you are going to learn today is my country, Ghana. You are going to learn about the people of Ghana. So that is history of major ethnic groups in the country Ghana. Ghana is a beautiful country with beautiful people. The Ghanaian people have different ethnic background. You understand that Ghana is a beautiful country. Looking at your beautiful and handsome faces, this proves that Ghana is truly a beautiful country. And where Ghanaian people come from different or have different backgrounds. That is why, though we are one people in Ghana, but we have different languages and different way of life. We all don't speak one language because of the different ethnic backgrounds that we have in Ghana here. So that's why we are going to learn about the ethnic group. Ethnic group. When we say ethnic group, what do you understand by the word ethnic group? An ethnic group is a group of people who come from one ancestor and have a common way of life. An ethnic group is a group of people who come from one ancestor and have a common way of life. What does this mean? You say ethnic group come from one ancestor. When we say ancestor or ancestors, ancestors are our great grandparents who are dead long ago. So an ancestor is a great grandparent who is dead long ago. So ethnic group come from one ancestor, come from one great grandparent. You understand? And what makes ethnic group different from the other? Or what makes an ethnic group different from the other? The language they speak. The language. You see, we have Chi language, we have Ga language, we have Ewe language, and etc. in Ghana here. So the language a group of people speak make them different from the other one. Also the dance they dance. In Ghana we have Palongo dance, some ethnic groups dance Palongo, some dance Agbaja, some dance Adowa, and etc. So this also makes them different from one ethnic group or the other. The other thing is the cloth they wear, or the cloth. Some ethnic groups put on kente cloth, some put on fugu and other cloths. So this also classified, or this also make them different from other ethnic groups. What about the food too? Food also makes some ethnic group different from the other. Because we have different foods in Ghana here. Some ethnic groups eat kenke as their main food. Some ethnic groups also eat fufu. Some eat banku. Some akwaye and others. So food also makes ethnic group different from the other. The various ethnic groups are different from each other. Let's keep that one in mind. The various ethnic groups, they are different from each other due to the way they live their lives. Now, we are going to talk of the major ethnic groups in Ghana. There are different ethnic groups in Ghana, but we have major ones. The major ethnic groups in Ghana include Akan, Ewe, Ga Adango, Buan, and Moe. We have Akan. These are the people who speak the Tree language, the Kwakum language, and Fanti and other languages. They can be found in the Ashanti region, the Western region, the Western North, the Central region, and the Eastern region, and many more. They are the Akans. When it comes to the Ewes, they are the people who also speak the Ewe language, and they can be found in the Volta region and the Oti region of Ghana. They are also the Ewes. When you go to the Ga Adanbe, they are also the people in the Greater Accra region, like the Gans. They speak the Ga language and they also speak the Adan language. They are also the Ga Adanbe. When you go to the Guans are one of the ethnic groups who can be found in all the regions in Ghana, the Guans. So they are split among all the regions in Ghana. And it is believed that they are the first settlers in Ghana, the Guans. So when you get there, you learn more about them. Also, the Moe they can be found in the northern region, the upper west and upper east region of Ghana. And they speak the Dagbani, the Fafa, and the other languages. So within each ethnic group, there are various tribes. Under the ethnic group, we have tribe. Let's say they are smaller ethnic groups to the tribes, and they also share the same culture. We have different tribes among the various ethnic groups. I hope you are clear. Now, each ethnic group has its own special history. Each ethnic group has its own special history. Why? Because the people traveled from different places and settled together in groups. Before they settled in Ghana, they migrated from somewhere to Ghana. That made them different, or that made them have special history. So, as you've learned, you've seen that Ghana is a country with different ethnic groups, or people from different ethnic backgrounds. And you've seen what ethnic group is, and what makes an ethnic group different from the other. You've also seen the major ethnic groups in the country Ghana, and where they can be found, what makes them different from the other ethnic groups. So this is what we've learned so far for today. The lesson is going to continue from tomorrow going. We are going to learn details about the various or the major ethnic groups. So what we've learned so far, I'm going to give you work and narrate. You do it neatly, nicely in your exercise book. Then you send it to me on WhatsApp. I'll mark it for you. So have a good day. Bye bye.